Hi, I'm Vijay Shantagiri and I'm the CEO of Certisured. We are a edtech based out of Bangalore, and we specialize in certifying students with various number of professional skills. Now there's an ongoing trend, as you all know, that everybody who comes out of the college need to get a job, and the industry requires the freshers to have certain kinds of professional skills. The universities are not able to provide those professional skills, and there's a reason for it because there are many number of students in a class. It is practically impossible for them to sit and mentor every student and bring them on board and bring them to a state of professional level which the industry requires, right? There are so many students who do it on their own because of the help from their peers, family and stuff, but there are many students who don't get that kind of exposure early on, so eventually they'll take professional courses, and I'm guessing you are one of them. And to solve that particular problem, we are here. We are from Certisured, and Certisured stands for Certified for Sure. It doesn't mean that you will surely get a certificate. It means that when you take a certification course from us, the emphasis will be more on assessments. Because if you get assessed thoroughly here, that gives you the promise of getting placed in the industry. So, our work as an institute is to understand exactly what the industry requirement is and then make a proper curriculum which follows a certain process wherein the process guarantees success for the student. Here there is another problem. What that problem is I'll explain that problem to you in the form of a story. Suppose there is a monkey and an elephant. So the monkey comes to me and says, I want to be a weightlifter. Then the same time an elephant comes to me and says, I want to be a high jumper. Correct? Let's suppose there are two careers, weightlifting and high jumping. Now, do you think I should give the weightlifting course to a monkey, or do you think I should provide a high jumper course to a monkey? Naturally, the monkey is designed to jump high, and the elephant is designed to pull or lift more weights, correct, because of its mass. So it becomes very important in this tech field, because it's a very highly competitive field, to understand whether we are monkeys or whether we are elephants, correct. Means to say that we should understand our own innate personality. What are we going to be highly competitive with? So, to put that in place for a fresher like you who's approached us, it is important for us to conduct a counseling session followed by an admission test, and then we discuss what is the best course of action, what is the best kind of skill for you to start off with. There's no point in taking a big course and gamble your way through a very high jump. It doesn't work because industry is all about a few specific skills but at a very deep level of understanding. That is what the industry wants. They don't want, for the way you studied in your college, they don't want you to learn 40 subjects at just surface level. That doesn't work. Industry wants solution. Industry wants you to be a solution provider. With that in mind, it is important for you to fill the form that we have given below, and with that form we'll understand where you come from, what kind of subjects you've studied, what's your primary disposition. Once we understand that, then we'll put similar kind of people into a cluster and then conduct a counseling session, conduct a career orientation, so that we expose you to different relevant courses, and we make you understand as to what kind of life you will have when you actually start working after finishing that course, right? So these are all very important, and this is what is going to be the initial investment in terms of time from your side, right? I hope it makes sense, and I would love to see you guys in our sessions, whether it is offline, online, depending on where you're from. We would love to help you out, and let's together understand where we can go, right? If it makes sense, I would really appreciate you to fill that form and connect with us, and we definitely will be able to help you achieve your career transition, career goals. Even if you're fresher, the best course and the best job out there to position yourself do crack that interview, right? All the best, guys. Thank you so much.